Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Uba Alexander L. Heck ubalong menteri jong ketenat ke koi kekia ke sorkar jelah ka arpu hendre trik ubana jembang arjar arpuwei uloong baka jingkang dam kandang yai teng hapo kanong ba shalong bat ha ke East Khasi Hills District Barok kowei lada ki breu ki baya bit ye ke jingpang klam COVID-19 kanang yai keu hakini ki sngi ki bansawan habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ba AL Heck ula kenturu iki pait ba bakim dei setia ban kensting ya kene ke jingpang bat lada ke sorkar kadang yai peteng ban penjelan ya ke jingkang dam kiban ya kendo jing ki dei hi ki pait ba nong song sinong
do life way trick nang la man study hagini isngi bangin pe institution galong gumno lada ka institution ni long worse then we have to continue lada ka institution galang improve dan ngin ya perkat ya kay begini bensim ga ra ka babah nak menta ka jingbit jing biang jing pai ba bubun balang do menin nang la man ongi fi bangidong don kena ta 45 plus profesor ajar nang ta 18 to 44 gidentang arfu lai hajar tigini di status tementang nang pan yang sesaulak sama nang government of India wala dang dangka mon thiet hiru ya gini ki 18 to 45 tangwa ka sanction ka approval ka one by na government of India ban I cut no chaganu gusti namar government of India ka kren hi bat nga personally you Union Health Minister, Honorable Union Health Minister, to Shri Harsh Vardhanji, we are providing the vaccines according to the cases and also on population. The responsibility of the government is to check and balance both the spreading of this virus also should not be spread. At the same time, no one should die out of starvation. So the government should see both the priority, which is very important for our people.